Hello and welcome to this interesting class. Now, in this class is number 45 UTME question. And in this question, we'll be talking about geometric progression, right? We're talking about geometric progression. So this question says that if the second term of a geometric progression is 8 over 9, that's the second term, and the sixth term is 4 and a half, that's 4 whole number 1 over 2. Find the common ratio. Find the common ratio. Now, how would you find the common ratio? Let's move into the solution. Now, so that the second term is this, and the sixth term is this, right? Second term is equal to 8 over 9, and then the sixth term is equal to 4 whole number 1 over 2, which is still equal to 2 times 4, 8 plus this 9. That's 9 over 2, right? Let's just make it an improper fraction. What is the formula for calculating the nth term of a GP? Can you still remember? This is the formula. Nth term of a GP is equal to a r raised to power n minus 1. Now, in this question, a means the first term, r means the common ratio, n means the nth term, right? That's the number of terms you are asked to find. Now, from this question, we were given the second term and the sixth term. Now, let's write for the second term. The second term, it will be equal to, we'll be given the first term, no, so it will be equal to a, common ratio, no, the nth term is 2, so 2 minus 1, right? So this implies that this is equal to t m equal to 2 minus 1 is 1, right? And anything raised to power 1 is still that value. So I can say this is equal to a r, right? Then let's move to the sixth term. We're given the second term and the sixth term, remember? So the sixth term, a r raised to power 6 minus 1, that is the nth term, n is equal to 6, which implies that the sixth term will be equal to a r, 6 minus 1 is 5, right? Very good. So this, the second term is equal to AR, and the sixth term is equal to AR raised to power 5. Now, you divide the sixth term by the second term, right? Divide the sixth term by the second term, that is the sixth term over the second term equal to, the sixth term is what? AR raised to power 5 over AR, right? Now, from here, this a, we cancel this a. And one of this r will cancel one of this r, we will be left with 4. So here will be 4, r raised power 4. So the sixth term over the second term is equal to r raised power 4. And remember, they said that the sixth term is equal to 8 over 9. And then the second term is equal to 8 over 9, while the sixth term is equal to 9 over 2. So we substitute the value of the sixth term and the second term in this formula. So the sixth term is 9 over 2, all over the second term, which is 8 over 9, is equal to r raised to power 4, right? Now, remember this kind of fraction. I normally call it fraction in a fraction. It's a fraction inside a fraction. So we have the numerator of this fraction and then the denominator of this fraction. Now, to make it to become a singular fraction, you see the first one, 9 over 2, multiplied by the second one, but then the 9 here will move 1, 8 will come down to be 9 over 8, which is equal to this r raised to power 4. Hope you're following. Hope you're following. 9 times 9 will give me 81 over 2 times 8 will give me 16, which is equal to r raised to power 4, right? Now, remember what we are asked to find is the common ratio. Now, to find the common ratio, you take the fourth root of both sides so that we can remove this raised to the power of 4 here. You take the fourth root of both sides, right? The fourth root of this side and the fourth root of this side. So this fourth root will cancel this raised to the power of 4. So you're left with I is equal to. Now, what is the fourth root of 81? Right? That is the number that you're going to multiply. The same number that you can multiply 4 times to give you 81. It is 3. Because 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 3 is 9. And you know that 9 times 9 is 81. So this is 3 over. What's the fourth term of 16? It is 2. Because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So this is equal to 2. So the common ratio is 3 over 2. So you can see that this question is actually very interesting and very simple to solve. I believe you enjoyed this class. If you enjoyed this class, give us a like. Make sure you follow and share for others to see this very video. Thank you very much.
Subscribe for more of this kind of content. Thank you.